If you're an SEO marketer, I'm sure you're tired of going through so much bunch of data, cross-referencing different keywords, their scores, competitive difficulty, and ranking across multiple sites. I've done SEO before, it can be tiring. Doing all of this takes time and a lot of manual hours for referencing. But this has all changed with recent array of AI tools that have come out in recent years. And in this video, I'll go through exactly 5 AI tools for improving SEO. And while some of these tools may be a bit pricey, if it means getting ranked on Google and having your content seen, it can definitely have a lot of benefits. Now, I am not sponsored by any of these tools. I just want to share it out to the more public. But if you would like to share my video out to more people, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can continue to learn the building blocks for the age of AI. So to start off, there's Surfer SEO. This has been an SEO tool that is well trusted by the community. From a content editor to keyword research tool, Surfer SEO does it all when it comes to building out your SEO strategy. They've received a 4.5-star review from Authority Hacker and 4.8 stars on G2 Software as well. This shows it's unbelievably trusted and reliable as a tool itself. It has many features that optimize your SEO strategy easily and gets you writing, reviewing, and optimizing content in a matter of minutes. Some key features include a fully fledged dashboard to optimize SEO workflow. There's Surfer.ai, which allows you to generate and optimize content using AI, of course, and their full stack academy to learn everything about how to use the platform along with SEO hacks. And they're also integrated deeply with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper AI, and more. Then there's SEO.ai, marketing itself as the #1 AI writer for SEO. This AI tool exactly what you think it does, which is make content that ranks well on Google. It offers a bunch of features that helps you uncover keywords, but it also gives you ability to learn from suggestions on how to boost organic traffic and optimize content. Some key features include auto-generation of SEO optimized articles, output of more than 1,500 word articles. It also has a feature that helps you with search intent analysis, and it has an AI keyword research tool that is accurate and reveals its audiences as well, and it works with 50 plus different languages. Then there's Originality.ai. With so many content text generators out these days, it can be hard to identify what is written by AI completely and what's actually written by a human. Google, however, knows the difference, so while it does not currently penalize you for AI content, in the future things may change. So whatever the case, it's important you need to protect yourself both as a creator and as a consumer. While it's great to use AI text generators to get content created quickly or to brainstorm, it should always be revised accordingly to have a more distinct voice. So this is where Originality.ai comes in for content marketers and SEO experts, as you can use it to check whether content scores or content pieces are original and SEO ready. Key features include AI content detection, which does a systematic fact checking to see if what you're writing or what you have written is accurate. And it also has a website scanner, which can identify whether or not your site is at risk for being penalized by Google. You can also check for plagiarism in content if you're working with teams of writers. Then there is MarketMuse. This is more than one tool, but a suite of tools that contains intelligence for content and SEO. Their AI claims to analyze an entire website and give personalized insights on how to improve it. They've been trusted by multiple big sites like Motley Fool and Discover, and instead of having to jump back and forth between different cross-checking keyword tools, this tool allows you to do it all in a single place. Some key features include automated content audits that saves you tremendous amounts of hours going through content. Their content planning feature that helps you create a set of content lists that will rank better. Their cluster creation and analysis helps you create content clusters that answer search intent and gain authority. And their competitive content analysis makes it easy to spot the gaps between you and your competitor. And then finally on the list is WordLift. It's a relatively new AI tool, but it's already being trusted by many world-class companies such as Airbnb, Ray-Ban, and more. Focus on this tool, unlike the other ones mentioned in this video, is to help you add structured data to your site via their custom knowledge graphs. WordLift also does what other tools does on this list by making your content optimized for search engines using AI recommendations, but it also helps to give suggestions on how to improve the overall user experience. Some key features include their knowledge graph builder, which I've mentioned earlier, their content recommendation system, which allows you to enhance the user experience via links and contextual information being optimized, and it also integrates with Google Data Studio to create more visual reports. So there you have it. There are many AI tools out there for SEO marketers. One of the key principal ways modern marketers in general should be leveraging AI is for content creation, whether that be video editing, photo editing, image generation, or text generation. I have covered a list of tools for any of these use cases, but if you want to check out AI tools for content creation, make sure to check out the next video. Once again, if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. It really helps us out. And make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can continue to navigate this digital ocean of AI together.